Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best mini splits air conditioners you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. An effective, scalable way to add cooling or heating to specific rooms of a home is a mini split. Consisting of one or more wall-mounted indoor units linked to an outdoor compressor, they are also known as ductless mini split air conditioners and heaters. They are simpler to mount, more effective than window units or central HVAC, and also make sense as a complement to your current heating and cooling equipment than a complete ducted system. Add-in thermostat-like controls alongside smart home integration, and mini splits start to sound pretty great, but they aren't cheap, with installation costs that can reach into the 5 figures. Many local utility companies offer rebates to offset some of that. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Mr. Cool DIY 12 horsepower 115B 3rd Gen, best DIY mini split AC unit. Just one look at the 3rd Gen Mr. Cool DIY 12 horsepower 115B model, and you can tell instantly that the specs are just fantastic. I say, with a SEER over 20, some units do manage to create a ductless mini split AC. Mr. Cool, with many decades of experience, has engineered the 3rd Gen DIY model with a SEER of 22. Every HVAC expert's heart jumps when seeing such tremendous energy efficiency. This makes the Mr. Cool the ductless mini split AC with one of the highest SEER ratings. And that's just the cooling part. The heating efficiency of a well is top of the notch. The level for HSPF is 10. To put it in perspective, approximately 15% more energy efficient than an average mini split AC unit is the strongest mini split of the Mr. Cool. Just wow. Wow. What is more, the incredible inverter compressor Mr. Cool enables the production of the record-breaking 533 CFM, cubic feet per minute, airflow. The compressors, the heart of every ductless mini split system, and the thing responsive for incredible specs, and hidden in the outdoor unit you can install on your outer wall. On number 4, Cooper & Hunter CH12 SPH115/OWK, Wi-Fi Smart Mini Split with DIY Installation Kit. Obviously, every ductless mini split AC unit you can install yourself is that much more valuable because you don't have to pay the installer. Nonetheless, let's first look at the Cooper & Hunter CH12 SPH115/OWK specs because they are quite fantastic, especially for the price. We question, wow, great, but what's the price? Anytime we see a SEER rating above 20, that's because it costs $1,500 or more for the super high SEER ductless mini split ACs. And, because of lower energy rates, you are entitled to get all this money back in 10 years. Well, Cooper & Hunter has put together a unit with 21.5 SEER for a bit less than $1,000. That's just something you don't really see every day. Add to that a superb 11.2 HSPF heaters. It's just crazy how great these specs are. So, for $1,000, that can't be all gold, right? Yeah, it doesn't. As far as its dehumidification levels are concerned, the CH12 SPH115/OWK has a very small capacity. The airflow is also very slow, too. That's because they use the cheaper rotary-style compressor, but still energy efficient. Nonetheless, besides the great specifications, the two main advantages of the Cooper & Hunter ductless unit are the Wi-Fi connection and, above all else, the DIY installation process. Yes, this is a mini split system you can install yourself. The only thing you'll need to do is to drill a hole in your wall. Everything else comes in a DIY installation kit. On number 3, Sinville Cena 12 HF/Z, cheapest unit for less than $800. If you are looking for the best mini split cost-benefit unit, you need to look no further than the Sinville Cena 12 HF/Z. For less than $800, this is a 4-in-1 ductless air conditioner plus heater plus fan plus dehumidifier. And if you really don't like to spend money on AC installers, here's a bonus: you can DIY the installation with the installation kit you get with the Sinville Cena 12 HF/Z air conditioner. With a great cooling efficiency rating, SEER equals 19, it's not hard to see why the Cena 12 HF/Z is a bestseller ductless mini split AC unit. Here are both the indoor and outdoor units with all you need to DIY the installation yourself. You would have to place both units on the inner and outer side of your wall to install the Sinville unit yourself and drill a hole in between. The 16-foot copper line set inserted goes into that wall. Just follow the directions included, and you should be perfect. The Cena 12 HF/Z has a strong dehumidifier capable of extracting 2.54 pints of water out of your air every hour. The strong 418 CFM enables all the great energy efficiency, cooling, heating, and dehumidification metrics. The bad components of the Sinville Mini Split AC model are the higher than normal noise levels, 43/36/24 of a decibel for the indoor unit, the average heating quality with an HSPF rating of 8.5, and only a 2-year parts warranty, instead of the standard 5-year. The whole point of the Sinville unit is to decrease the cost as much as possible while still maintaining the great specs. The inverter compressor is powered by 110/120ths of a volt, so you won't have to upgrade your electricity grid, and you can even install the whole mini split system yourself with a few technical skills. On number 2, Pioneer WISO-12 V17R, cheap bestseller with Toshiba ASN 98D22 UFS compressor. Pioneer WISO-12 V17RL is a mystery to begin with. It's a ductless mini split AC with enormous specifications. It does, however, cost less than $1,000. Obviously, their ductless AC is reduced by less known brands such as Pioneer, but the specs are typically lower. How has Pioneer achieved to create a cheap mini split AC with the impressive big brand big buck specs? I mean, the WISO-12 V17RL does have a very high SEER level of 19. Well, the explanation is very simple: in the compressor, the core of any mini split device. The Pioneer wanted to upgrade the type of inverter, although the standard compressor is of the rotary type. Did they themselves create it? Not at least at all. Here the simple and ingenious move explains the great specs. Pioneer decided to build in the Toshiba's ASN 98D22 UFS compressor. That is how the WISO-12 V17RL can achieve the SEER levels of 19, HSPF levels of 9.5, for heater, and the incredible 500 CFM airflow. On number 1, Daikin RXB12 XJU Plus FTXB12 XJU, reliable unit with best 10-year warranty. One of the most popular smaller mini split AC brands is Daikin. They placed reliability first with their RXB12 XJU Plus FTXB12 XJU concept. It is just unfortunate to see that the expense of providing great reliability was great specs. Without a doubt, the Daikin RXB12 XJU Plus FTXB12 XJU will serve you well. Nonetheless, the energy efficiency metrics, SEER equals 17 and HSPF equals 8.5, are pretty in line with the industry's average specs. The 41/34/30ths of a decibel indoor unit noise levels are very average. But it needs to be said that there is just 358 CFM of airflow. When you have a reduced airflow rate, it's easier to build a silent mini split AC. The best thing about the Daikin device is the reliability coupled with a 10-year warranty. That effectively means you will have to sweat less when thinking about AC breakdowns. So guys, this was the video about the best mini splits air conditioners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.